Hello everyone, welcome to the Emily RPA Academy, the most beginner-friendly RPA tutorial channel. Today we will teach you how to operate Excel using Emily. We have prepared an Excel file. Later we will use Emily's Excel writer to read this data and process it based on the different conditions. Next, let's enter the training mode. After that, select the Excel writer. Open Debug and switch to Console. Use Pick to select the file. After picking, you can enter the following code to check if you can correctly read the sheets. Click on Test. While doing that, let's also open Excel. You will see that the sheets are correctly read. Also, take a look at how the data inside is formatted differently from traditional Excel data. First, let's retrieve the content. You can enter the following code. API.getCell means retrieving the value of a specific cell. The first parameter is the sheet name, and the next two parameters are the row and column positions. For example, 0, 1 represents cells B1, 0, 2 represents C1, and so on. API.sheetNames returns an array, so we need to specify the unique element inside. After entering, press Test. Don't worry about the working folder for now, because we haven't handled the output. Check the console and you will see that the data is listed. Today, our requirement is to split this data into first names and last names, using them as headers. Below, list the first names and last names separately. You can enter the following code. you will notice the addition of API.setCell, which means setting the value of a specific cell. Like API.getCell, the parameter names include the sheet name and column position. After entering, press Test. Open the output Excel file. You can see that the first names and the last names are listed separately and have been formatted for easier handling. If you need to press a large amount of data, you can use for loops or for each loops. Additionally, you can adjust the formatting and layout of the Excel file. Add the following code. You can see that the alignment adjusts how the content aligns within the cells, and font deals with text-related appearance such as boldness, font type, text color, font size, etc. After adding the above code, we need to specify which columns should have this style applied. If we only want to modify the header style, we can modify the following two lines at the end by adding the perimeter. With the changes, press Test and open the file to see the effect. With this module, you can organize and enhance the appearance of unconventional Excel data. In addition, this module includes functions for modifying sheets and more. You can refer to the documentation links in the information section below for more details. That's all for this course. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or ask on the Emily RPA forum. I'm Hao. We will see you in the next class.